Omnichannel digital marketing is a marketing strategy that aims to create a seamless and consistent customer experience across all digital channels and touchpoints. It integrates various digital marketing techniques, such as search engine optimization, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and mobile marketing. The goal is to engage customers at every stage of their journey, from initial awareness to final purchase. This strategy, omnichannel digital marketing, can help a business in several ways. Improved customer experience. By delivering a cohesive brand message and experience across multiple digital channels, businesses can provide customers seamless and consistent interaction, increasing customer satisfaction. Increased brand visibility. Omni-digital marketing allows businesses to be present on multiple platforms and reach a wider audience. This enhances brand visibility and helps attract and retain customers. Enhanced customer insights. Businesses can gather valuable data and insights about customer behavior, preferences, and interactions by leveraging various digital channels. This information can be used to personalize marketing campaigns and improve targeting. Higher conversion rates. Businesses can increase conversion rates and drive more sales by providing a consistent and optimized user experience across different digital channels. Omnichannel digital marketing can be relevant to companies of various sizes and industries. However, it is essential for businesses with an online presence. Rely on digital channels to reach and engage their target audience. This includes e-commerce, online service providers, digital startups, technology companies, and traditional businesses, embracing digital transformation.
Company size. The company's size can vary, ranging from small and medium-sized enterprises to large corporations. The critical factor is the extent to which the company relies on digital channels and its willingness to invest in a comprehensive digital marketing strategy.
As a digital marketing and brand manager, there are several vital pieces of information I should know about the company before applying or developing an omnichannel digital marketing strategy for your business. Business goals and objectives. Understand the company's overall goals and objectives, both short-term and long-term. This will help align the marketing efforts with the broader business strategy. Target audience. I must clearly understand the target audience, their demographics, interests, preferences, and behavior. This will enable us to create personalized and effective marketing campaigns. Existing digital presence. Evaluate the company's current digital marketing efforts, including its website, social media profiles, email marketing, search engine optimization, and content marketing activities. Also, we must identify any gaps or areas for improvement. Competitive landscape. Research and analyze the competition to understand their digital marketing strategies, strengths, and weaknesses. This will help identify opportunities for differentiation and competitive advantage. Budget and resources. Determine the available funding and resources for implementing an omnichannel digital marketing strategy. This will help in planning and prioritizing marketing initiatives effectively. After being assigned the responsibility of managing omni-digital marketing for a new client, we can follow these steps to achieve the best results. Research and analysis. Thoroughly examine the client's business, target audience, and competition. Identify critical insights and opportunities to inform your marketing strategy. Strategy development. Develop a comprehensive omni-digital marketing strategy that aligns with the client's goals and objectives. Define the target audience, key messaging, channels, and tactics. Integration and consistency. Ensure the client's brand message and experience are consistent across all digital channels. Integrate different marketing techniques to create a seamless customer journey. Content creation and optimization. Create high-quality, engaging content tailored to each digital channel. Optimize the content for search engines, social media platforms, and other relevant channels. Campaign execution. Implement the marketing campaigns across various channels, monitoring and adjusting them as needed. Use analytics and tracking tools to measure the performance and effectiveness of the ad campaigns. Please read more relative articles in our blog at the link below. My name is Billy Casas. I'm an expert in digital and video marketing. Thank you for watching this video.